Hello, my name is Valeria Gonzalez, and here this is for Education 10. This is a mini lesson for 5th grade math, and we will be finding the area of a parallelogram. So the name of the activity is finding the area of a parallelogram, and basically this is a math activity that we will be doing, and the skills that students will have the opportunity to develop during this mini lesson is calculating area, developing logical reasoning, and applying mathematical formulas to real world problems. The objectives of this mini lesson is learning the area of the parallelogram is to understand the area is found by multiplying the base and the height using the formula area equals base times height. The materials would be this worksheet that we have here and flashcards. Setup, I will set up the this activity during the math section of the class. I will have each student have their own math worksheets, and they could also do flashcards. That way they know first what is a parallelogram, how does it look like, and they could also draw it. That way they could remember it. Steps to the mini lesson, it's have students, like I mentioned, write what is a parallelogram. So here we have the shape, and then write down where is the height, where is the base, and then after that we will have students write down the formula of a parallelogram, which is area equals base times height. Next, students will be able to do the problem. If, let's say, going back to the first section, we have here that the height is 4 and the base is 2. Now they're able to solve it. So area equals what? The base is 2 and the height is 4. So area equals 2 times 4. So they are able to solve it. Was 2 times 4 equals 8. And they still have to show their work, so they do that part, and then they have to write area equals 8. And that is how these are all the steps that students will have to be able to solve this math problem. And if I have a student that has a hard time with math, I will take them to the table in the back so I can work with the student one-on-one. I will also have the student know what is a parallelogram. Like I mentioned, first know your shapes, and it's always good to go over them with students that have a hard time and redirect them with the formula. Let's remember the formula of a parallelogram. The area is base times height. So the speech and action guide that I will be using, I will make my directions effective by reinforcing them when necessary, making sure that each student is using class time wisely, but I will also help the students if they need help, that hey, we know what the shape looks like, we have the formula, and we know what the height and base is. Let's get to work. This is everything. Thank you so much.